Hi guys, today I'm going to make a tornado in a bottle. So the first things you need to get is two empty plastic bottles. The taller the better. A scissor, some super glue, and duct tape, and supervision from a parent. So the first thing you need to do is take the cap off from the bottles and make a hole in the center of each cap. Then use the super glue and super glue like around the circle and in this gap, like in between the bottle caps. So once you attach the caps together, you duct tape it around so it doesn't leak. Duct tape both of the caps around like this. Then you fill one bottle up with 2/3 of water. Now screw the cap on the bottle. And then put this bottle onto the cap. Screw it on. And then you flip it over and twirl it.
Don't make sure it doesn't spill onto the carpet.
Okay guys, bye for now.